Are you too confused between buying the OnePlus Nord CE and the iQOO Z3 which are going to launch in India next week? Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Tech Phantom. In this video, we are going to take a deep comparison between the Snapdragon 750G and the Snapdragon 768G. Both of these processors are new and they are going to be an upcoming processor in the phones of OnePlus Nord CE and the iQOO Z3. So if you are new here, then subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So starting off with the launch date, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G was launched in September 2020, whereas the 768 is the newer one launched in May or June 2021. Now let's talk about the CPU architecture. Then both of these are the octa-core. The 750 is Kryo 570 and the 768 is a Kryo 475. Now moving on to the CPU cores, which are the processors into the phone, then there's higher clock speed of 2 into 2.2 GHz of Kryo 570 Gold and 6 cores of 1.8 GHz Kryo 570 in the Snapdragon 750. Now the 768 has a different approach over here with a 1 core of 2.8 GHz Cortex A76, 1 core of 2.4 GHz Cortex A76 and also 6 cores of 1.8 GHz Cortex A55. Now these both might seem the same, but there is some minor difference. Now on the CPU fabrication, which is the size of the processor, then the 750 is a larger one at 8 nanometer, whereas the 768 is a 7 nanometer processor, which means that the 768 is much more power efficient than the 750. On the GPU side, with the gaming side, the most pressure handling task, the 750 has an Adreno 619 at the 950 MHz and the Adreno 620 on the 750 MHz on the Snapdragon 768. On the machine learning and AI, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750 has a Hexagon 694, whereas the Snapdragon 768 has a Hexagon 696. Now if we talk about the maximum RAM support, which both of these processors can support, is up to 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM at 2133 MHz frequency for the 750, and also for the Qualcomm Snapdragon 768G is also the same as the 750. On the display support, which the maximum display resolution they support is up to QHD plus display at 60 Hz and also a 120 Hz display refresh rate at full HD plus resolution. Now if we talk about the 768, then it also follows the same trend as the Snapdragon 750, so there is no difference in between that. Now moving on to the next one, which is the maximum camera resolution, which both of these processors can support, is also near to the same, which is as follows. The 750 has a 36 megapixel of single camera, 22 megapixel of dual camera with a 192 megapixel of single camera snapshot, and with the 768 is also the same with a 36 megapixel single camera and up to 192 of single camera. On video compatibility, the maximum video resolution which both of these processors can support is up to 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 120 fps and slow motion at 240 fps. The difference between the 768 as it can support up to 720 at 480p resolution. On the Bluetooth side, the Snapdragon 750 has a newer Bluetooth 5.1, whereas the 768 has the Bluetooth 5.0. On the 5G modem, both of these processors are the new 5G processor modem with a Snapdragon X52 5G or the LTE variants. On the Wi-Fi side also, they both support a Wi-Fi 6, which is again not the flagship one and also not the lower one. Now on the quick charging side, then both of these support Qualcomm Snapdragon Quick Charge 4 Plus on the 750 and the 768G. Also, the 768 also supports a quick charge AI. Now closing off these comparison with the Antutu scores, then the 750 scores a decent score of 3,27,000 and the 768 scores an 8% increase of 3,47,000. On the Geekbench score aside, the single core performance of the Snapdragon 750 is again 8% slower when compared to the Snapdragon 768, and the multi-core is also near to the 1% lower than to the Snapdragon 768. So does the processor makes a difference while comparing or while you are buying the new phone? What do you think about the iQOO Z3 and the OnePlus Nord CE when they both are going to launch with these processors? The iQOO Z3 will launch with the Snapdragon 768G, whereas the OnePlus Nord CE will launch with the Snapdragon 750G. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.